In this video, I want to talk about one really important aspect of Gmail and Google Workspace, the business version, that people misunderstand. And that is your email storage or saving structure, the organizational structure of where your messages are. So let's break this down a little bit. First of all, it's really important to understand, and I'm doing this from the web browser, and you got pretty much the same access from the mobile app. Under More, there's three really important components here: all mail, spam, and trash. If a message is in all mail, it is not in spam and it's not in trash. If a message is labeled spam, it's not labeled all mail and it's definitely not labeled trash. And lastly, if a message is labeled trash, it's not labeled spam and it's also not in all mail. It's important to understand. A lot of people get confused. They go, Gmail made my message go away. It got deleted. It's gone. I can't find it. And mainly because they don't understand this hierarchy of all mail or spam or trash. Now let's dig a little bit deeper into this concept of labels to help you better understand it and better use Gmail to work for you. Here's all my messages that are in inbox, okay? I only have 7 messages in inbox. However, they're labeled in the inbox. If I come over here and I go look at all mail, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 messages are labeled inbox. Well, I can look at them in my inbox or in all mail, and I can decide, you know what? I want these messages about the impact and about forward the janitor. I want to not just label those in my inbox. Those are an important part of a conversation. So I want to label those this Purge-X alerts and apply that. So you can see my messages are still in the inbox. These are labeled Purge-X Google Alerts. I can go over here to the label Purge-X Google Alerts, and there's those 2 messages, which, by the way, are also labeled in the inbox. I can select both those messages. I can archive them. Where's the archive? Archive. And if I go look at my inbox, they're not there anymore, but they're still labeled Purge-X right here. And furthermore, they're still in the all-encompassing all mail. There they are, Purge-X and Purge-X. So it's all about labeling. And I can go, wait a minute, I didn't want to do that. I can select that. I go up here and do label as, get rid of Purge-X, put them in banana pudding, and I can apply that. And now they're in banana pudding. Oh, I can also say, by the way, I'm going to move them back to the inbox. So they're labeled in the inbox, but they're also labeled banana pudding. So understand labels, experiment with labels. Think about how you can use labels to better manage your inbound messaging and your sent messaging so you get the greatest benefit. If all you're using is inbox, sent, and all mail, besides spam and trash, you're missing out on the huge power of labels in Gmail and Google Workspace. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. And I hope this insight in the organizational structure of Gmail messages is helpful for you.